this lab you've recently installed the new network adapter. Unfortunately, it's been very slow. We'll take the new adapter offline and re-enable the old one so we can have fast internet while we troubleshoot. Search for Device Manager, then click it when it appears. This is where we can monitor, update, and manage all the hardware devices on our computer. To start, let's disable the old adapter. Open the network adapters list, right-click the Broadcom adapter, then click Disable Device. Next, right-click the Realtek adapter and click Enable Device. Finally, right-click the Realtek adapter and select Update Driver. Click here to search the internet for new software, then wait while the driver updates.